All right, here we go.
Oh.
So we are in the village,
Your brother. Eto, ha?
and I will mark down what the village is on the vlog here. So we just arrived here. There we go. Mambudag. Hi. Kumusta? Okay, so normally, this has been the 5th time I've been here in the Philippines. Yeah, 2nd time here in the village, but 5th time in the Philippines. And every time we come to the Philippines, you either have children screaming and crying because there's a white guy,
Lumad village.
or they're very shy, or they're very friendly. So it's quite you get used to eventually. Like I said, 5 years and finally getting used to it. This is the first time that we actually came in the village, Cecil. We were just at the tribal house before. There we go. We got washing clothes. Cute little boy. A lot of bamboo. Got it. Our bamboo and Versiba is bigger, right? It's wider.
It's way more longer.
We're gonna still build a hut with that. We'll see about Versiba on later. Maybe we can figure out where talk to our caretaker where we can put a hut up there. My birthday. Kumusta? Hi.
This is Patrick Grandpa's house.
Oh, Lolo.
Shy grass.
Oh, cool. Shy.
Si Ara ko ay kana nga lagi mo ni sobra sel. May anak niya sa gawas.
That's cool.
Oh, those coconut that they are not planting. That's
Oh, these are our coconuts.
yeah, they're so small.
They're too small.
I need to
Oh,
a little bit higher.
Those are huge. So these are our coconuts that we're planting here in our property. So the roots they're rooted already.
Yeah.
See, they're starting to root already.
Yeah. Sige na plant that the rest.
All right, here some of our coconuts that we got. They're our seedlings, and so with the other part of this video, you pull it up. See, they're already rooting, but they're not. Apparently, they're not. As Cecil was saying, they're not big enough for to plant on our property. Oops. All right, as per before, everybody is worried about me walking on things and breaking my ankle and stuff because I'm old and decrepit and maldito, as Cecil says. But it's fine. There's Cecil. There's Miss Maldita.
Wanna go up?
I could go up.
You're gonna go this way.
Go up here.
Oh wow! Look at that beautiful crane.
You can go and look our coconut where they plant.
Oh, beautiful crane.
Look at the water, it's flowing.
Yeah, because it's all spring water. It's well water. All right, so the stairs here. So this is an ancestral house that
It's Lolo.
Patrick's grandfather, his Lolo, owns. And it's very, very. There we go. So like it's open floor.
That's the
CR? That's your CR? Excellent. Here's the living room, and then there's a bedroom in there. Yeah, 2 bedrooms here. I think this is a living room, and this is like the kitchen area, I think. Yeah, because, well, here's a sink. Pretty exciting, huh? There's a sink there. Oh, and there, okay, here's, I was looking for the dirty kitchen. It was right in front of my face. There we go.
Let's go.
You're lucky you're not going there. Maybe we're gonna hire Carabao to pull you out.
More than likely. You'll need a 4x4 to pull this fat man out. This old man.
4x4 mo pull out niya. Ay, asa naman mo?
Ano mo nagtatanda nga hapon?
O, ihapon man ko ikon mami. Ang punta mo sa primero higo niya.
Ano mo nagtatanda ba yun?
At dito na ko.
Alright, so we're done. Well, they're done at the property. It was too much for I would sink out of sight. So
It's nice the coconut there growing good but need to clean up because the grass is
I thought
same size.
I thought they were commissioned to clean it all the time.
No, we need to spend money for cleaning,
Oh, okay.
not that commission. At least we are here close. That's like bananas. Look, see the coconut here. You can see it. Those are.
Yeah, I got it on video.
Ayan, makita nimo diri dibo mga lubri. Makita mo diri.
Kita ka nila eh. Ma'am, naglingin ninyo kami.
Ambot lagi
Sa
dito.
doon, nabar maglingin. Nasa maragito ni Buto.
Did sister take video of the property?
Yeah, picture.
Yeah.
Oh, wala video, picture lang.
Only
Picture
picture.
only?
Only picture. Yeah. Kana, gamit pa na
Well,
ni
so I got a good aerial view of the village too. So I'll make sure that I put it right on the hard drive.
So hot. Very, very hot.
Voila!
Wala init.
Very, very nice.
Ay,
Grab
bugno man sa no?
grab it in it.
Naanad.
In 2 weeks we're back in cold.
Yeah.
Eh, +5 Celsius.
Okay. Hangak na, init na.
Asan to sa kan?
There's a nice rooster.
Layo pa no? Ah, basta kayong likod ng country ko eh.
Oksa ko di ayo.
Nagdanong ko kuan mo.
Hello.
Hello, Pikin. No?
Voila, rooster in Canada. One of the meeting places. Quite a few sorry stores here, huh? For a village? Wow.
Sira.
Sira. So sorry. Sira.
It's sorry.
Sorry.
But if you don't have any money to finance, it goes Sira. It's close.
Ah.
Mm-hmm. Sira, it's close.
Utong.
Hmm?
For borrow. Utong.
Otang.
Atong.
Yeah. Huh?
Kumusta?
Car cake because mommy Giselle's being grumpy.
I know she is. You noticed, right? Yeah. Kumusta?
Ah, balay labi birthday rin, no? Sora dito. Ah, simbahan. Nalagay po sa tere, nagpayo. Kila daga? Oh, kadit naman po sa.
So the fire there is either scaring the lamok, which are mosquitoes in Cebuano, or it's for fire or for cooking.
Tinina na. Ilisa mi diha. Ako sa close.
Tubig na, kami ng tubig buglaw.
Nagkul ka buna na. Leo ka ng desal front dead. Close ado. Close han.
Mommy Giselle will
I see that. All right. Well, that's the village of, don't know village name. We'll post it on the video. Pastor Patrick sent or gave me the name 2 Sundays ago. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Really enjoyed the visit in this native village.
Singkir na may magulat. Ha?